welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am showing footage of me working on my mission inspiration. This one is actually from way back in June. I probably got it done at the very end of June. That's usually about when I'm finishing up mission inspiration. I have completed July's and I have not done August yet. But yeah, I'm way behind. So sorry about that noise. I have my phone with the mission inspiration prompts for June on it, and I just dropped it right onto my iPad, which is where I'm doing the voiceover. So the prompts for mission inspiration for June was above and beyond, outer space, the afterlife, or past the visible horizon. What can you imagine? And one of the ingredients was maps. So I have this map I got from a recycle store and just cut a chunk off, and they're gonna go in there as my book pages. And I got Ranger's new color prize ribbon. I got it in the embossing powder and I got it in the Distress Oxide, and I figured, why not use it? So this is my first time using it, and let's see, the colors for this one is navy, magenta, and gold. It's a good thing it says use 1, 2, or all 3, because I think I just used 1. Yeah, I think so. I'm giving this a second coat, just because I didn't like the finish of the first coat. Looked kind of uneven, and I really wanted that rich blue. Of course, I don't think you can really tell it's a map after I'm done with it, but hey, it works. Yeah, there goes all the powder. It's a good thing that stuff goes right back in the jar, because, yeah, I let it all out. Well, and you can see on that triangle, I must have touched like that spot right there with my fingers and left some oil or something, because it is just not sticking right there. And I don't think it ever does. I think it's just, I even poured a little bit on there just to sit on there. Get it all melted. There we go. But yeah, you can see that spot. It looks kind of like fingerprints. Maybe. Alright, and so for the other triangular piece, I'm going to use the Distress Oxide ink and just kind of dip the map into it. So I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water, get the juices flowing, make a nice mess. Making sure I got everywhere, so there's at least a little bit in every spot. And I like the color on the back too. You'll see it too when I dry it here. I just edited that. See, I like that blue color, but on this it's on top of the map, which is a little bit green. Just making sure that's going to fit in there. And this one was real simple. But I think think I hit all the requirements except for the colors. I only did the blue. I'm just going to glue it down with a glue stick. And then this piece, I do it with the glue stick, but I probably should have just gone with regular glue, because I end up having to go around the edges and gluing it down anyway, because that embossing powder made it a lot stiffer and curly. So I have footage for my mission inspiration for July. I don't really like it, but it'll probably go up. And it's Labor Day weekend this weekend. Maybe I can get August and September knocked out this weekend. If I don't have anything going on. I don't know. What time is it? Like midnight? Yeah, it's 12:30. This is like voiceover at the last minute. That's alright. It's Saturday. I can sleep in. Just trying to make sure it's all gonna sit in there nicely even after I close the book. I like my fun little triangle book. I close it, squish it, it works okay. Alright, so another one of the prompts was use washi. And glitter. So I decided I would use my glitter washi and kill two birds with one stone, so to speak. So I want some thin lines. So I'm going to take this washi and hopefully cut it with my X-Acto knife. It goes well most of the way. It gets a little weird at the end. And I'm just going to put those down as lines, kind of giving this a look of maybe ground or a horizon line. Kind of that grid pattern. I don't know, it made me think of the event horizon, you know, in a black hole or whatever. Just some sort of horizon line. And the prompt said, past the visible horizon, what can you imagine? And I am using glue because washi is not permanent. find on an embossed surface it's a little slick. Wasn't sure how well it would stay. And I'm not measuring these, I'm just going for it. Alright, so now I want them to go the other direction. So I'm going to have to cut some more. These ones I cut a little bit thinner. For a simple project, this sure took me a little bit of time. Got to cut another strip off. There we go. Finally got that done, and then I trimmed it. And one of the other prompts was lettering. And I have these stick-on letters. So I figured I would put the word beyond up there above the horizon. I actually really like how this one turned out. I think it's one of my favorites in this book so far. Of course, I've only got 3 in there so far. Well, 4 if you count July, which you haven't seen yet. Stay tuned. I'm sure that will be coming out one of these days. Maybe I'll do that one next. Okay, so another one of the prompts is doodles. So I figured I would draw something. My jelly roll didn't want to roll, so pulling out the Posca. And I consider this a doodle since it's just coming out of my head. And I believe that ticks all the boxes for the ingredients. Map, lettering, doodles, washi, glitter, and then navy. Close enough to navy. It's blue. Well, that is it. I hope you like it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.